Hey guys, this is Mr. Davis speaking, and just wanted to give you a view of the lot. You can see a driveway on the upper end there, comes through a lot of dirt, and I'm standing on a lower driveway, and if you can see, we've got grass planted. And one of the great things about this lot is that it had all underground utilities, so you have everything. Right there is the temporary, and we had to have that laying there for the power company, and we just come in and lift that top lid, and it's already got 2 outlets in it. And you can see some stakes out there in the yard. That's the end of the septic system, and the septic system runs along the contours of the land around over to that side. You might be able to see a stake right over there on just on the edge of that lip over there near the wood that's cut, and that's where the septic tank is. And you can see where the basement has been dug out. It's very sandy soil. It's what's called fannin soils, and so it drains really well. So even if we goof up on the waterproofing a little bit, we probably would have very little issue with water coming in the house. There's been very little runoff from all the rain because the water just soaks into the soil so well. And right there on the high side, the poured walls will be probably about a foot higher than that point, and it'll be 10 foot. It's going to come across the front at a full 10 foot, and then we're going to turn out a little side retaining wall. And right here by the driveway will be what's called a daylight basement, where they just pour a footer, and then we will frame in with wood and use wood construction on this side. And then there's a little ear that comes out. It'll be 6 by 12. It'll be a closet, and as far as the main level. And we're not quite sure if it's going to be daylight or if it's going to be maybe a 4-foot wall. And I'm meeting with the concrete guy today to make the determination about how much wall is going to be 10 foot, and then how much along this back side. That's the real question. How much concrete are we going to be putting along the back side of this wall? And so here's the project, here's the update, and got big trees to look at. There's a beaver lake down through the woods there that you can see, probably not in the camera too well. And then there's a lake right across that road right there. It's about 3 acres. Anyway, that's 3 minutes and 20 seconds. See ya.